In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Pipedrive with Outlook seamlessly, using Zapier as our trusty intermediary. This integration will help streamline your workflow, ensuring you can manage your emails and CRM data smoothly without constantly switching between applications. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Zapier, your one-stop shop for creating automation between the tools you use every day. Once you've logged into your account, it's time to create what's called a Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that connects your apps and services, enabling them to work together effortlessly. To begin, you'll set up a trigger. This is the event that initiates the workflow. In this case, we have options. You can choose New Email in Outlook or New Pipedrive Deal as your trigger. Selecting New Email in Outlook means every time a new email lands in your inbox, it will kick off a series of actions that you've predefined. Alternatively, choosing New Pipedrive Deal triggers the Zap whenever a new deal is added in Pipedrive. Once you've chosen and set up your trigger, it's time to move on to the next section of creating your Zap, the action. The action is what happens automatically after the trigger event has been detected. Here you can opt to create or update a CRM record, which is ideal if you want to ensure your CRM data in Pipedrive is always current. Alternatively, you might decide to send an email or calendar event in Outlook, streamlining your scheduling or communication processes. To configure this, Zapier will guide you through connecting your Pipedrive and Outlook accounts. You may be prompted to log into both services and possibly grant certain permissions. Don't worry, this is just to make sure that Zapier can access the necessary data to carry out your automation without a hitch. Once the connections are authenticated, you'll need to map the data fields. This step ensures that the right information is passed between Outlook and Pipedrive. Take your time here to match each field correctly, as this will determine the accuracy of your integration. Having set up both the trigger and the action, it's the moment of truth, activating your automation. It's usually as simple as clicking a button, but before doing so, you have the option to run a test. This will simulate your Zap in action, helping you confirm everything is running as expected before going live. And there you have it. With your Zap activated, you've successfully integrated Pipedrive with Outlook. Moving forward, the automation will save you time and reduce the manual effort involved in keeping your tools in sync. If you're looking to enhance productivity and improve organization, this integration might just be the perfect solution. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.